Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to Amafans Auto TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 2, Benin 0. I'm joined by Umfana Seledi Smith.
Asanda. Hey, Thibo uGrant.
I'm Nandi, remember?
Ngimnandi. Isikhathi manje singabonani.
Hey,
last time phela ngavi-interview intombazane.
Last time ekhaya.
Ngishaya interview. Last interview ngashaya.
ePitoli.
Ngasepitoli.
Angithi ngibone last before siyepulukwane
ngithi yabo zakugcina nalapho
ngiyakuthola.
But ke Thibo uGrant.
I'm Nandi, remember?
Ngaza bathi awubambekile man ngasingithi ya Thibo kanjani manje. Special member. Ya kodwa hayi ngoba sukhona.
I'm back.
Ubuyile Thibo.
I'm back. No.
Ngiyakuthola. No Thibo angeke ngisithathe isikhathi angivele nje ngingene kuyona street. Ngiqale nje ngokubongela iBafana for 3 points.
Yes.
Siyalida Thibo siphezulu kwi-table.
Yes.
Especially mawubheka ukuthi it was what le table esikuyona one of ama tables owabheka ukuthi ana ma teams othi mawabheka they are playing ibhola eli interesting likunikeza ama goals. Look at ama teams anjengo Nigeria, abo Benin, Zimbabwe just came in. Uyangithola. I think the other one ayesengikhohliwe kodwa ke lawe sengabalile ama teams akwazi ukuscore ama goals. So when you are faced with ama team akwazi ukuscore ama goals, it is something very difficult, especially for a coach ukuthi how can I defend against this team? Uyangithola, because you have to think of how can I defend, you have to think of how can I hold ukuthi ngiphathe midfield, hold the midfield, everything, control, yangithola. Then how I attack. Do you get me? Thibo, ngiyayibongela kakhulu Bafana. It is not something everyone was expecting.
Sure.
But he will just win by 2 goals. At least 1 goal or a draw. My fans be satisfied.
Yes.
Do you get me?
Yes.
And especially the fact that Mkwena, I don't know what was happening. So even Hugo Bruce himself coming to this game, began a doubt. Why it's began a doubt? The game before azodlala le namhlanje izolo bekudlala Ivory Coast abo Adingra national team. Ngisazi ukuthi bedlala nani. So he was not allowed to go train kulesa stadium pre-training before the game. Yabo kwase kwathiwa ngoba and obviously it is the home time ye Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast. So bakwazi ukallow ukuthi bangene la over Ivory Coast. So Ivory Coast is in control of everything eyenzakala lapha. Even nayo I team lebedlana namhlanje which is Benin. Nayo be travela itikidlula ama countries ayi2 before ifike Ivory Coast.
Sure.
So nabo bebe away njengathi. So no one had the advantage home advantage, home ground. Do you get me? So enye into engifuna ukuyiveza ukuthi ngiyambongela naye Hugo Bruce ukuthi ayitholile le 3 points. Even though naye bengathembile as a coach. But ke coming to le game lena Thibo ngizoqala nje ngiyibongele I player njengo Basadini. Getting an opportunity to play for a national team and performing. That's the first thing. Because siya phambili silo si checker ukuthi national team improve kanjani, especially if you beka against Benin. We played them 2023. Squad ebidlala namhlanje almost similar because I think ama changes from the last game sidlala against Benin. I think Oprimudiba, I think is Umrena was there. No, he was not there. Umrena. It was Umtau. It was Usbisi la no alongside Sakumbulu Xulu lo wedla Super Sports. Yangithola. Bese uba Mkwena no Sithole bese lapha kwi10 kwakudlala Pesita wedla ka left kuba Mshishi then bese kudlala uHlongwane then striker kwaku Foster. So yabo uthi it's not a team ehlukile from le yadlala against Benin and we scored 2 goals lapha. and sawakora nge-first half we-2 then after we sasitha back sidlala home sadlala a bad game. Second half was very very bad. Ukuthi mawubheka ukuthi la game liyana it was like coach city just defend le 2-0 ngithola but namhlanje great dominance esiphuthile against this Benin team. If you bheka ukuthi bona they didn't come with much work. If you bheka ukuthi from the last game they played against Zimbabwe they scored 2 goals. After that balahla then they conceded 2 goals. If you bheka ama players anjengaye uMoni Abu Dodo lo edlala i10 if you bheka le edlala ngapha number 18 edlala ka right those players were fantastic in game against Zimbabwe. But coming to this game today, I think it's the player layer number 18. He was the one who was going to cause a danger for Bafana Bafana. If you bheka ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi maye fikile a realize space ukuthi okay la kune space ashone kusona so space when they cross the ball you tall every time may cross the ball you tall even got one chance whereby alhedile. I think it's the only chance on target abayitholile kule game and it was before sekusha half time.
Sure.
So yena player bengithi mina if he had supply grades bekanga score at least maybe 2 goals. But with no supply you can't do anything. Now he was forced ukuthi azomarka kanye nale holding midfielder lama holding midfielders ama 6 badlali 6 boy 2 akekho dlali 8 boy 2 badlali 6 so they were dropping back too much ukuthi bezosiza lama center back lawa la ngemuva because wona hleli kuthiwani rest defense abantu abahleli nje phansi abangenzi lutho ukuthi sinilindile ukuthi yenzani niwenzayo thina nizosifica la. That is why uLyle Foster if ubheka igame yakhe he hardly gets to a position whereby he can just shoot and tell tap in because he was naye ukuthi he had this thing ukuthi okay if I do not play if I do not get a ball I will make so many mistakes. First half I think for me he got those chances whereby umbona ukuthi okay ngafinisha la as a strike but ke kwa ukuthi ke it's those things ukuthi they are too defensive and you can't get enough time ukuthi wenze decision so it's just a quick decision mawenza even if ubheka igoli lelikorile it was a tactic whereby there was 2 defenders ngezala noSibisi bedlala boyi 2 then after balandelwa uMbatha kanye no Obasi no ubande player bedlala phambi kwabo it was Pesitawo ngithola Pesitawo was the one who was helping the two le as a 10 ngithola befuna ukusiza uMbatha aphinda size no Obasi ukuthi when we are building he was those one of players bengathi ba drop back ukuze bezo allow ukuthi baphaselwe ibhola so that they can progress the ball. So great vision for Musbisi ukuthi abone ukuthi okay Pasadena usehleli kahle la because it was the whole tactic ukuthi that is why he started with so many defenders so that these defenders la one speed they can run ngale kwe defend ukuthi every time bona bagada ukuthi we are not offside then when they get the ball they just run then they cross it inside. If ubheka khona le shot lethola uMdawu khuliso uMdawu first half whereby size sabuza ukuthi akaphasi ngani then wa decide ukuthi ashaye la phansi but it was a side netting. Even Mfukeng khona la athole khona isikhathi we bengimela ngathi uyalifaka then basebenze tackle I think that guy itholi yellow card and after uPasadena wayisebenzisa kahle listing ukuthi mayiphaselwe ibhola arane then I realize ukuthi okay striker sesigona then he passed the ball and the great finish for uLyle Foster. I thought mina uzobuya libambe afuna ukujika afuna ukwenza into eningi ngithi yabo this is the thing engitshela ngayo ukuthi just the finishing it was the only thing ebedingeka just if I touch masuselfikile kwana sha uzobona phakathi uyafika even no Adams Melthola akadinganga ukuthi angabeke efubeni uvela wathi ngiyashaya same time ngithola so it was that thing ebesidinga ukuthi every time asithola isethe siyashaya even nala washaya ekudeni they didn't get the time ukuthi abombatha belisethe balid but they just shoot ngithola so that because this team may defender aggressiveness ukuthi if ubheka abathola ama yellow card I think abayi4 thina we didn't get any I think 4 or 2 thina we didn't get any yellow cards because they were too aggressive and they made them fouls laphana yabo because the whole aim was to say if you can get a point then it's fine because bona bayazi ukuthi thina sibashiya nga 2 points so if bangashaya lo landelayo thina siyadliwa bayangena. Do you get me because njengamanje bona njengoba beluzile isebedlule iRwanda le eFiance Ntwari le eFiance Ntwari le idla iKaizer Chiefs ethol sebedlule yona sebe number 2 bona bana 8 points I think number 2 na 13 points na 15 if I'm not mistaken yabo then uyabona ukuthi sebe inkinga ukuthi sebebhekene nezinto eziwu2 manje sebebhekene nama-team ayi2 manje so it's a pressure for them yangithola so manje the draw was fine for them ukuthi okay we are still in the competition, we are still competing but ke for now ngizokutshela nje Sithibe ukuthi if I look at the way idlala ngakhona especially singanabo abomshishi singanabo abomgwena it shows ukuthi the coach is doing something special.
Yes,
the coach is doing something special.
Definitely.
The real chef is cooking.
Yeah,
do you get me?
The real
chef is cooking.
Sure.
So Sibo mina ngiyambongela kakhulu coach Hugo Broos. I know, I was one of the fans who doubted him when he started this journey nebafana bafana uthi say guys ningasilendela ikhehla kodwa bafethi bekhona coach abancane lana intwana ezingadlalisa ibhola kamnandi is understand modern football.
Sure.
But looking at the quality national team nokwazi ukuread ukuthi okay this is the kind of players that I need to introduce in order to win this game because the Benin vele if I think ubuyisele their team leya besingaconsider amagoals le bidlala bomukwana and Mfukeng on the list because Mfukeng if you back ukuthi the whole game he was not that top Mfukeng lo mazi because of he was forced ukuthi abuye ezansi azokwakha nale team yangithola azokwakha nale team elaphansi even nabo Basadini bebezama ukungena ama spacing ubone sebuya back futhi yabo because manje this team is just defending the whole game so it was that just tactic ukuthi thina siyaya bona bayabuya so Sithibe akukho kunye kuphathele wona
man of the match
ngizonika uBasadini.
Basadini.